So, bali,
1 peso per gram.
1 peso per gram. And then, yung soup base natin, hindi na siya kasama.
You can choose whatever you want your dish to be prepared. No? It's a rainy day. What a great day for a soup. And where else to go? And nandito po tayo ngayon sa 9Luck Malatang. So this is a newly opened Chinese restaurant dito po sa Angeles City. It's a different kind of setup. So guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami. Let's go! This is the dining area. So this is a new setup for dining dito po sa Angeles City sa Pampanga. Because the way it's being done here is ganito po. So we have this side right here, ito yung chiller na to, located yung mga ingredients natin. So we have meats, from seafood, from pork, beef, yung mga meatballs, mayroon din tayong mga noodles, and then on this side meron din tayong mga iba-iba ding meat, different kinds of mushrooms. And then what you do is, starting from there, meron po tayong bowls. You put everything in the bowl, whatever you want, yung mako-consume nyo lang. Because at the end of it, pagkatapos natin dito, we go to the counter. Dito sa counter na to, titimbangin nila. Right after nilang matimbang, guys, ang payment natin dito PISO per gram. Grabe, di ba? So, kakaibang setup na restaurant to, di ba? So, it's up to you guys. Say, for example, you can consume like 300 grams, 500 grams if shareable. If 1,000 grams naman, if you are a group of 3 or 4, mga ganyan. No? So, it depends on you guys. Ang kagandahan dito, you can choose freely whatever ingredients or whatever you want to put in your dish, you can freely choose. And then right after that, yung grams or weight ng nakuha natin, yun po yung babayaran natin. Additionally, meron po tayong mga skewers dito. Ayan, so this cabinet here is for the skewers. It's 50 pesos each if you wanna add it on top. Meron po tayong dito mga sausages, mga tofu, barbecue, and even yung mga kakaibang mushroom. So it depends on what you want, guys. It's 50 pesos per piece. Add-on sa order namin.
Meron tayong mga dip dito. So dito meron tomato sauce, secret sauce, peanut sauce, and medium sauce. So syempre, yung kanilang secret sauce yung gagawin natin. So meron din silang mga instruction dito kung ano yung mga dapat ginagawa. So dito, makakapag-customize ka naman ng gusto mong klase ng dip. At the same time, marami kang option. Meron kang garlic, leek flour, peanut, and madami pang iba. Parang lahat na lang kinuha ko.
Okay, so on our table, ito yun guys, meron tayong pepper soup, spicy hot pot, ito naman yung classic bone. Siguro what I can say, difference niya from the other restaurant. This one, you have control. You can control the price, you can control what you have in the bowl, yung mga ingredients in it. And then at the same time, say for example, you are 4, good, apat lang kayo, 1,000 pesos yung nyo, dala nyo budget nyo. So, pagdating dun sa counter natin, tap lang natin ng 1,000 pesos and then you're gonna do it. Hey!
And this one is Skewers.
Brother, thank you. So this is the last batch sa order natin. Meron tayong samples ng kanilang mga skewers. Yeah, so this one is actually great paired with rice. So let's dig in. Another dishes came in. Napaka-generous po ng host natin for today. So let's mention, ito yung parang mga ano naman.
Stir fry nila.
Parang ganun yung pang-serving nila.
So meron tayo dito yung kanilang sticky and spicy. Meron silang spicy mix and yung kanilang spicy hot pot.
Kaya pala, it makes sense ka. Spicy hot pot, pure flavor. Ito ang tawag nilang go bauru. Ang pinakamalapit daw sa atin yung sweet and sour na meat. So this one's pork. Available po siya. This is best paired with beer, soju, something to drink. So yung mga late night eaters na pupunta dito, I think this is one of their most recommended.
Yes, at the same time, this is one of the newest nilang dish.
Actually, so bro,
We are the first here in
I think so.
Pampanga.
I think so.
To provide this kind of experience for your taste buds and dining.
please invite them, Sir Saan.
So hi guys, I'm inviting you here in 9Luck Malatang. We are open at 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. and the nearest landmark would be the BDO Friendship. Yeah.
Alright,
So
thank you
I'll
so
be waiting for you. Thank you so much, sir.
We're gonna wait for you here, guys.